Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As a recording time of 3:25 p.m. Eastern Time, Ethereum trade $3,008, up about 4.10% so far. Respect over crypto market and the equity market, we are bright green today, as investors have been digesting the Jerome verbiage yesterday on the economic outlook and also with respect to the allocated interest heights that is going to be predicting going forward. So it seems like, with respect to the verbiage, it's an alignment of interest of the overall market sentiments, that most of the pricing adjustments has been baked in the consecutive days of sell-off that we've endured in the past weeks and months so far. So today is just another day of sector rotation. At the same time, confidence coming in from investors, but majority coming from retail investors. Okay, so that's a specific caveat that we want to mention. Is this the dip that, was this the dip that we should have incurred, or do we see more sell-off coming? Is this a confirmed rally that can be sustainable going forward? That's the big question, right? Are we going to keep surging up, or are we going to see more sell-off coming? And based on a technical front, we are actually seeing. Yeah, you're gonna hate me for it. I will say that there's a high certainty of the market selling back down than the like of going back up. So without wasting more time, let's explain that why I think that is based on the technicals. And I know that despite it feels very very euphoric today. Like it's about, oh man, it's about time that we're rallying, we're recuperating back to normal cadence. It's great to see a couple of days of consecutive rally. So it should keep going, right? Because of euphoria and reversal of the market. But is that the case, right? So without wasting more time, it's a recording time of 3:27 p.m. on the Eastern Time. So Ethereum is basically at 3,000 right now, right? What's the next level, right? 3,050, which is a non-substantive consolidated level. But the real level we need to get up to is 3,158, right? Or we go back down to the 2,853, right? However, we know that with respect to the MACD is already on top. At the same time, the RSI is already at 61 out of 70. So I think at the most, we will get to like 3,050, right? Which we tried a little bit for the day, but subsequently sell back down. So there's a lot of weakness. Try to breach above the resistance level 1, right? So resistance number 1 is basically the 3,050 based on the historicals, right? But that's a really weak one. That's why it's a non-substantive consolidated level. The next level is 3,158 for us to confirm that we are reversed. But we are already relatively overbought, so the likelihood will be very low. I give that maybe 10% that will actually have a shot of actually keep leaping up from here. Like 3,332, I'll give that maybe 5% certainty we could actually get there. It might be possible if there's like a black swan news that happens that really knocked us off the park. People will be paying on a premium to get us there, but how likely can that happen, right? I think it's still in a downtrend, and I think we need to come back down, normalize back first, and then recuperate back up. So right now, this is not sustainable based on what I see. And again, don't hate me for it. This is really just technical speaking the truth, and I always follow what technical tells me. Bitcoin is quite comparable with the 50 out of 57, so 60 out of 70. The next level we need to go up to would be 44, with the 42,500 right now. So coming back down to 40, 37,500 would be more logical than buying at the moment. Right now it's at a relatively huge premium that we're buying based on the current setup. I think better opportune times is coming as we get down to 40 to 37 from here. Dogecoin, again, I like anywhere from 11 to 1066 with the 50 out of 70. Cardano is 97. Try to get to $1. You could see that we broke at 99, which makes sense because it's a flat number. So I personally would ideally like anywhere from 80 all the way to 74 from here. Solana is at 91, about 4% so far. Anywhere from basically 85 to 75 from here with a 64 out of 70. XRP is down about 1.5%. We're lingering between right now, right? Again, I like personally from 69 to 57. But for me, be more risk averse, 62 to 57 is more ideal. Polkadot up about 6.17% at $20 right now. Anywhere from 16.90 all the way to 14 is more logical to incur risk. Algorand's about 4%, anywhere from basically 70 cents all the way to 64 from the 56 out of 70. Shiba Inu is up about 3.20%, low 2000, so 2100, 1400, 900 from here. MagTax up about 4%, 143 to 120. AVAX 86 right now, 59 to 50. Luna's down about 3%. We are gonna be selling off any days now. This is a head, shoulder, so we gotta leap down, any days now with the 60 out of 70. And look at the equity side. You can see that Tesla is selling back down from the we were trying to get 1,000, but at the same time we were at the 65 out of 70. So this is mainly driven by some of the positive news that Tesla has been releasing, coming out with their European expansion. Jim Cramer also talked about on CNBC about Tesla, saying that it should rally. So it's like both are media affectation driven by retail investors. So buying in today or at this current level up about 7.22%, extremely risky. I don't really see us going up to the next level. The next level we need to go up would be somewhere around like 140. Right, so right now it's definitely not advisable, and we are at almost at the apex. So as we sell back down, we need to come back down to ideally at 910, right? And if we can hold on 910, go back to 892, 850. I think anywhere from 850 all to 800 would be good level to incur risk back again. But right now, absolutely not. This is very risky. And I know some people actually bought in before when it was almost like reaching to 4 digits before, and they lost a ton of money. If you just think about the last time it rallied close to 1,000, what happened? That's exactly some people. Let's just like take a look at it, right? We've seen that the movie happen before. If you look at it, this is very comparable. You see the way it rallied all the way up to close to 900. Like almost to 1,000, and then subsequently kind of hover. So this feels very, very similar. And look at the RSI and the MACD, very, very dragged up. So next thing you know, you're gonna see a pop-up balloon affectation, you're gonna sell back down, and next thing you know, you lose a ton of money, losing at least 40% from here, right? So with the uncertainty in the market right now, whenever you things go up, whenever you see things go up this fast, just know that it comes down just as fast. So this is extremely dangerous right now. I would not suggest buying it right now. So something to think about. It's more of a bonus for you on Tesla. I wasn't planning on doing it, but seeing the way it runs and seeing how fishy is the timing as well is definitely alarming. So I definitely hope that people are being cautious and be thoughtful about it. Right? The market can flip on you very quickly. Right? So appreciate you. Hope you like the honesty. And I'm not being a pessimistic person. I'm just saying like technicals never really lies to me. So I'm just translating what I think makes sense for us, right? So hopefully that makes sense. So appreciate you. Have a good day and take care.